Okay, so I like to start my fast with berries. You definitely want to like do a pre-cleanse if you can. It'll just make the detoxification symptoms better. I also was just showing you I used coconut oil pulling. You definitely look that up. You do it for 20 minutes and it pulls out toxins from the body. And here's the Cascara sagrada, which is one of the Dr. Sebi herbs that I was using to clear out my body, what it looked like. And yeah, that's just me drinking my herbs and staying busy because that's a big one. Yes, the vibes.
Right now is amazing. I just cleaned like the fridge, reorganized in the kitchen, and I feel really good. Oops, still have a little bit of the breakouts going on, but my skin is looking clear. Hi! Wanna say hi?
Okay, also I just want to voice over that every single fast I feel like I look different and I like am healing different things, and every single time I feel so good, so I'm gonna just keep this process until I feel like I'm done completely healing.
I'm looking a little crazy right now, but this is 48 hours without food. This morning I was feeling like my whole body was tingly, which also happened last time, although I do feel, because my body is more clean, getting through like it was hard because I'm closer to my period, but the first 24 hours is probably like the hardest, I want to say. This morning I just meditated, and then I watched actually part of one of Ralph Smart's videos. I like scrolled through social media. It felt good to allow myself to just do that, no judgment, and I was hella distracting myself. I went for a walk, I went to go get groceries, which I'm going to show you guys like a little haul for when I stop my fast, and it's all alkaline, vegan, Dr. Sebi approved. So yeah, also I got all my information, like I did my own research, but I also got information from his family, so I'll link their stuff down below. They have awesome products, awesome information. I love their content, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I got on this haul. Baby bananas.
I got some jicama, and I love. I like to pan fry this in a little bit of grapeseed oil and makes like French fries, or just eat it raw with some key lime juice on top and some spices. It's so fire. You just peel it and cut it up into like little matchsticks. I got a baby coconut for when I finish my fast. I'm so excited for that. Then I got some zucchinis, bunch of blueberries, and I got some red onions. You don't want the white ones because they're bad. They're GMO, so yeah, I got red, and then I also got a bunch of shallots because those kind of replace my garlic. And then I got a papaya, which I'm also gonna eat the seeds on because that cleanses you from parasites. I love papaya. Yum. I got organic chickpeas.
It's so worth it because these ones, they use Roundup and all these like really bad chemicals. Even on organic hummuses, they actually found hella chemicals, so I always do this, and I still wash them. I just use like salt and water or vinegar and water.
Asparagus, cucumber, oranges, and then I got a bunch of these mushrooms. I haven't tried these ones before. All the mushrooms, I think, except for shiitake, are approved. So yeah, I got these ones too because I saw a study. These are Enoki mushrooms, and I saw a study they did a population study, and when they were eating these Enoki mushrooms, there was over 70, maybe it was 80% decrease in cancer from the whole population. So I'm gonna make a little soup with those, and they kind of taste like noodles in the soup. They're really fire. And then some kale. I got a bunch of lettuce to make some salads. Avocados, obviously, superfood. Cilantro, Dr. Sebi approved, and just so good. Add that to everything. I know some people think it tastes like soap. More avocados. And some mangoes. I'm so excited to break my fast and eat those. You have no idea. And then also some green onions because I'm going to use these to make like a little soup type vibe. That's what I got. And yeah.
Time to go stock up the fridge.
Also, this isn't sponsored, but I got natural spring water. It was $4.50 per jug, which is, I was paying like $8 a day for natural spring water, so yeah.
And Lola wanted my smoothie because it was delicious. Also, look up why water needs to be filtered by the earth, because I didn't realize before, and it's really important. It gets all the minerals that we need, and if not, the water will search for the minerals in your body and deplete you of them. Also, I had this coconut to break my fast, and it was so delicious. Oh my gosh. Also hard to open, and some fruits too. Hope you enjoy. This is my teeth. I'll give you guys an update if you'd like. Let me. Peace. Like and subscribe.